Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make Nickelodeon slime. And I got this in a kit. So, without further ado, let's get on to the video. Alright guys, so let's start. So this is the box that it came in. I had already unpackaged it. And as you can see at the top, it says Nickelodeon slime. And it is kind of sticky because on the Nickelodeon show awards, it was very sticky so that it would stick to the person. It couldn't be the big doughy kind. So the things that it comes with 2 bowls. They're one on top of each other. I can't get it out. The Nickelodeon slime white glue, a container to store your slime in, 2 popsicle sticks, a measuring cup measured in milliliters, and the scented coloring. The coloring is what makes it scented, and the activator, and a little spoon. So let's get started. So now the instructions say to mix or pour in 15 milliliters, which is in this measuring cup that it came with, of the white glue. So I'm going to pour, I'm going to set my thing aside, and I'm going to pour it in. Alright, I gotta look and make sure. Alright, 15 milliliters. Alright, a little bit more. Alright, perfect. So now we're going to pour that into our bowl. And it says use the popsicle sticks to scrape the edges of it to get all of the glue out. This is a very small amount of slime. So I'm going to grab my popsicle stick and I'm going to scrape it all out. I'll come back when I have it all scraped out. Now that I've got all my glue into my bowl, it says to measure. I'm going to clean the glue out of it, and I'm going to measure 30 milliliters of water into the measuring cup. Now I have my water and I'm going to pour it into my glue mixture. And then it says to put, we're going to get this, we're going to do a full spoonful of our coloring. So I'm going to do pink. So I'm going to just dip it right in there. It's hard to do. I want a really light pink, so I'm just going to do that much. I'm not going to do it even said in the instructions, like, if you don't want, like, a really dark color, you can use a lighter color. Okay, so yeah, this is, like, the perfect. So you're going to mix it all together. So yeah, this is a perfect pink for me. We don't need the glue anymore. Okay. So the camera I see is making it look a little bit darker. It's really actually lighter than you see. It's about like that because you can't really see it when it's right there. But it's not this hot pink. It's like a light color. For some reason the camera makes it weird. So now I'm going to measure in 5 milliliters of the activator. And I wonder what is in these, like, activators. Because usually I use either, like, Tide or Wax or something like that. So I'm going to pour it in there. 5 milliliters is, like, to the very light. So it says to just pour drop by drop. So I'm going to put that in there. And I'm going to stir it. Oh, you can see how it's thickening. Like a glop. Alright, we'll mix that. A little bit more. This pink is so pretty. Hang on, I'm gonna see what it smells like. I think that this smell is strawberry, maybe. I have no clue. It's kind of hard to tell which scents they have. Alright, so I'm gonna pour the rest of the activator in. And you can add as much activator as you want. Like if it's too sticky, just add more activator. Mix it all around. Squish it in the activator. Whoa! I'm glad that did not spill. Alright, and it flopped over again. Okay, so I'm gonna pour a little bit more activator in, just because it's really sticky. Just a little bit. Now I'm going to keep mixing until it forms a good slime. So guys, it is very wet and clumpy at the beginning. So, but I think that you gotta keep kneading it and let it sit out for a little bit because it's kind of sticky. With my other slime that I made, it was just like this, but now it's not sticky at all after I let it sit out for a little bit. So I would recommend letting it sit for maybe like 10 to 15 minutes before start playing with it again. But this was like complete success. I love this Nickelodeon slime so much. Thanks you guys for watching. Bye.